guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I know it has been a few weeks since I filmed a video. You guys, life has been just crazy. I'm sure you guys have heard me say this a million times, but I'm currently renovating my house. So every weekend consists of me picking out tile, picking out paint, picking out this, picking out that, picking out so many different things. So I've kind of had my plate full right now. Finally have a few hours to myself where I can sit down and film a YouTube video, so I am so happy. With that being said, summer is pretty much here. In New York, it's still 60 degrees and cold a little bit. I don't know what's going on, but the last few weeks have been freezing here. So I know summer is slowly approaching. I wanted to dedicate a video to summer scents, scents that I think that are really summery, really fresh and clean and just summer vibes. I got some new summer scents in PR and I was like, oh, I need to talk about these. And then I was like, wait, I need to talk about every single summer scent that I own that I feel is summer appropriate. These scents are newer scents, just released or new to me, but some of them I have had since last summer. So I do have my thoughts together for you guys. If you're interested in my summer scent recommendations, I guess that's what I'll call it, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. So I want to start off with the two scents that inspired this video. So these are brand new from Flur. They just launched these two new scents in their hair and body mist. This one is in the scent Beach Skin, and then this is in the scent Peach Skin. Now, if we're talking about summery and summer in a bottle, you're gonna wanna go with Beach Skin because it gives that laying on a beach, coconut vibes, really gives me if I was on vacation in the Bahamas, this is the scent that I would be gravitating towards. You have the notes of bergamot, ozonic accord, I don't know what that is, pink pepper. I absolutely love pink pepper, so it's no surprise that I love this perfume. Solar accord, coconut, melon, sandalwood, vanilla, musk. So this, you guys, is summer in a bottle. I feel out of all these fragrances, this may be the one that leans most summery in my opinion. Like I said, if I was going on vacation, this is a scent that I would want to bring with me because of that coconut, that pink pepper, that vanilla musk. This just gives me summer vibes. So I absolutely love this. I feel every time Fleur launches a perfume or something, I am on board with it because I feel they never miss most of the time. And yeah, this, you guys, amazing. Talk about Peach Skin. So this is very different than Beach Skin. So even though they launched together, they are not the same in my personal opinion. This one leans more coconut while this one leans more fruity and fresh. So this one you have notes of peach Bellini. I love peach Bellini. Bergamot, peach skin, white freesia. Anything with white freesia in it, I've noticed that I absolutely love. So no surprise again that I love this. Vanilla orchid, jasmine nectar, milky sandalwood, sheer amber, and coconut caramel. And you guys, this kind of takes me back to being in Pink. You remember when Pink would have those square perfume body mist? This is kind of the vibe that I'm getting circa 2008, 2009. And I absolutely love that. I would say it's those pink ones, but with a little bit more maturity to it. So this is more womanly, definitely more on the fruitier and fresh side. So yeah, these, even though they launched together, like I said, they are very different. I absolutely love both of them. I feel if you picked up these both, you would not be disappointed because they both give very fresh vibes and very summery vibes. So yeah, these two inspired this video and I'm absolutely obsessed with both of them. I love these and I cannot wait to use and abuse them this summer. Hair today is really bothering me. I can't decide if I want to leave it in a clip, if I want to bring it down. My baby hairs keep sticking to my lashes and they're really bothering me right now. So let me try to fix this and put this back up. But yeah, no, my baby hairs today are out of control. And for some reason, my allergies are out of control. I think it's because it's super windy here. And when I walk my dog, there's a bunch of shit blowing in my face. So that's always fun. So I'm actually gonna talk about another body mist from Fleur. This came out last summer and this literally, in my opinion, broke the internet. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. This is Vanilla Skin. So now this, in my opinion, you can wear year round. I don't necessarily think that you only can wear this in the summer. I feel it's universal. But since we are talking about fresher scents, this, you guys, is amazing. There is something about this scent from them that I just cannot get over. So the family is gourmand. So in here you have pink pepper, again, pink apple, sugar crystals, lily jasmine, cashmere wood, vanilla sandalwood. Sorry, it's hard to read them because the lights and stuff, it glares. But yeah, this, you guys, is I feel your perfect vanilla scent. So if you love good vanilla scents and you want something that's maybe a little bit more musky but still gives you that sweet vibe for summer, then you're gonna want to pick this up. I absolutely love this scent, you guys. I just finished one of the Vanilla Skin deodorants. I already have a backup. I have two of the perfumes of this. Like, I absolutely love this scent. So yeah, this, you guys, one of my absolute favorites from Flur. So this next one falls in line with Beach Skin from Flur, where I feel like this screams summer, and I used it a lot last summer. This is from the Seven Virtues. This is their perfume in the scent Coconut Sun. And you guys, even though the name is coconut, it's not too coconutty. So it's not the type of coconut where it's gonna make you nauseous. It's very fresh, but gives you that summer vibe. Okay, so it says that the key notes in here are coconut, frangipani, whatever that is, and vanilla. So that explains why I absolutely love this, because I have noticed this about myself, that I love vanilla scents. And when something has vanilla in it, I am like, yes, give it to me all day, because I love vanilla. And this, you guys, is a scent, in my opinion, that is only appropriate for summer. Like, this gives such summer vibes. Like, I'm not somebody to really like be picky about what time of year I wear my scents, but something like this and something like Beach Skin, like if I was going on vacation this summer, these are the two scents that I would probably bring with me, because they just give me such vacation vibes. And yeah, this, you guys, is absolutely amazing. So if you're somebody that likes coconutty, but you don't want something to be too coconutty and just be like just enough, I definitely feel like this is a 10 out of 10. Another one from the Seven Virtues. I feel like they're so underrated. Like, I don't feel like I see enough people talking about them. This is their scent Vanilla Woods, and you guys, this is gonna be for the girl that loves vanilla and loves like that woodsy vibe, but doesn't want to wear it during the day, wants something for nighttime. That is who is going to want to wear this. Fragrance family for this one is warm and spicy. The scent type is warm and sweet gourmands, and the key notes are pear, rose, and vanilla. What you wear at nighttime, if that makes sense. You could definitely wear it during the day. Like, I would definitely wear this during the day, but if you're somebody that wants something to wear more at night, this is what it's going to be. This gives you, I'm actually going to spray some, gives you the perfect amount of vanilla and the perfect amount of spice without being too spicy. So Vanilla Smoke by Flur is that very, very spicy vanilla. This gives you that spice, but it's not as spicy as Vanilla Smoke. So if you want something a little bit dimmed down from that, you're gonna wanna pick this up. This smells absolutely incredible. And like I said, I'm falling in love with vanilla scents. And this one, you guys, is amazing. And like I said, I think the Seven Virtues is so underrated. Like, they are a little bit on the pricier side, and they are a natural fragrance brand. Like, they're more on the organic family, but they last so long. Like, I remember wearing these last summer and they would last me all day long. So yeah, do I think they're worth it? 1010%. Next perfume. When I got this in PR, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna love it, because I don't necessarily love perfumes from this brand, but you guys, oh my god. This is from Replica. This is their Neverending Summer. So this says it's originally Neverending Summer. The period is the Amalfi Coast in 2022. Fragrance description, refreshing and bright orange. Style description, memory in a fragrance. So you guys, I absolutely love this. And in my opinion, this is a perfume that I would only wear in the summer. It gives me that fresh and fruity vibe, but honestly, I can't see myself gravitating towards this in the winter time. Like, this is definitely a summer scent. I'm gonna spray some right here. I'm actually gonna look up the notes for you guys, because me describing this is not gonna do it the justice that it deserves. Unisex fragrance, it's a fresh scent. So the fragrance family is fresh and fresh citrus and fruits. You definitely get a lot of that citrus in here. That is why they describe it as refreshing bright orange. And then the key notes are spritz-accord, orange, and vetiver. I don't even know what that is. Citrus fragrance that captures the feeling of never-ending summer. The unique Italian spritz accord, recognizable for its uplifting citrus notes, intertwines with bright notes of a freshly peeled orange. Yes, I can definitely agree. And a vibrant vetiver. I don't even know what that is. To transport you to memories of an endless Italian summer. Now, I would love nothing more than to have an endless summer on the Amalfi Coast. Like, literally, if you want to take me to the Amalfi Coast for the summer, I would be like, let's fucking go. Since I'm not doing that because I'm renovating my house, I will be diving into this perfume all summer long. I think I'm gonna wear this one today when I go out, because I'm meeting my girlfriends for lunch. But this, you guys, is absolutely amazing. And like I said, I don't usually love perfumes from like Replica. For some reason, they just don't do it for me. Like that scent Beach Walk, I know that it's viral and people swear that it's great for summer, but in my opinion, it's such like a musky scent that I would wear that in like the fall or winter. Like, I wouldn't necessarily describe that as like my go-to summer scent, but this one, I definitely do get that summer vibe here, and I am obsessed with this. So if you like citrusy scents and you want something that's a little bit more citrusy and not vanilla-y or coconutty and more fresh, you're gonna wanna pick this up from replica. I cannot say enough good things about it. I cannot wait to drown myself in this today because it is absolutely amazing. It would not be a fragrance video of mine if I did not talk about Salt Air, and I feel like this scent from Salt Air is a definite must-have for summer. So this is their scent Golden Hour, and you guys, let me just hold the phone, because this, you guys, is absolutely incredible. I think they launched this last summer, this scent. Oh, this gives me coconut vibes, gives me like laying on the beach. This is everything that I want and more. Like, this is so summery. Like, this Golden Hour is giving me beach skin vibes from Flur. Like, they both are very similar in the way that they smell. And you guys, let me just take this off again because I cannot stand how freaking good this is. Oh my God. I remember when they launched this, like I said, I think it was last summer, they sent me over their body wash, and the body wash for this one has like oils in it. And oh my God, when I would smell this for literally hours, you guys. So if you want something to like prep your body with to get you nice and hydrated, I highly recommend their body butter and their body oil. Like, you know, Salt Air's body oils are iconic. So yeah, the combination of these mixed with any of these other perfumes, I definitely think will give you your signature summer scent. All right, you guys, so that completes this video. These are pretty much all of my recommendations for summer scent. So if you're somebody that's looking for like your signature summer scent or a really, really nice summer scent, I hope this video helps you. I think my 3 standout ones, if you guys were gonna pick any of them, would be Replica, Neverending Summer, just because it's not your typical summer scent. It doesn't have that like coconut, that vanilla. It really is just a beautiful citrusy vibe, and I think that this is amazing. I would also pick up Beach Skin because, again, like I said, if I was going on vacation this summer, this is the body spray that I would take with me because it smells like a literal beach. And then Coconut Sun, same thing, amazing, very, very summery vibes, vacation vibes, laying on a beach. Like, these ones, when it comes to fragrances, I think are absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are you summery scents? Like, do you guys like to switch out your fragrances every season? Like, I typically don't do that, but when it comes to these ones that give me very much summer vibes, like, this is what I will definitely gravitate towards this summer. I'm trying to be more like season oriented, if that makes sense. Like, I don't really want to rock a coconut scent in February unless I am like literally on a yacht in the middle of like the Caribbean, like tanning. Like, that is when I will rock that. But since I live in New York, I definitely feel like I want to start like switching up my like seasonal scents, if that makes sense. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Please let me know what your go-to summer scents are. Like, I would love to check out more like perfumes for summertime, so don't forget to let me know in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.